Hello guys, this is Deep. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, first of all pardon me because I don't have a proper setup and proper lights or cameras. But please keep watching. I am sure you may definitely learn something with these tutorials. Okay. First, I am using the graphite powder for the background. I use the graphite powder because it is a time saving method. I am blending this with a brush and the excess powder will be removed with a blow. Now using a tissue paper, try to blend it very well for smooth and blurry background. On another video, I will definitely show you how to prepare dust of graphite. Okay. Now using a 2B pencil, I draw an outline of the cherries. And using the same pencil, I put a basic layer with minimal pressure. We keep less pressure because we have to erase the areas for highlights. Okay. Again using the same pencil, I put the second layer for the darker areas. I draw the crotch edges to blend it smoothly with a cotton bud. You can use a brush or a paper stump, but using a paper stump is a little bit difficult to erase. There you have to put extra pressure with the eraser. Okay. Now grab a 8B or a 10B pencil and put the third layer to make another dark shade and blend it smoothly. Make sure to add another darker shades to the bottom of the cherry because it looks more realistic. Okay, now draw some random water drops on the cherry. Guys, I am a beginner now, so provide me some advices to do my job more perfectly. Keep supporting me and subscribe my channel. And guys, please tell me which part of my drawing you liked most. Write it on my comment box. Now erase them with a mono-zero eraser to enhance the drops. Actually, I don't have a round shaped mono-zero eraser, so I use a homemade zero eraser. I create it with a normal eraser and a ball pen. If you want, then I will surely provide you a tutorial of how it's made. Add some white drops with the eraser and make sure to put a darker shades on the white drops, and it will look more realistic. Here is how to draw a water drop in proper way. Add darker value in both sides of the drop and erase the middle portion. Okay, now I am providing you the real-time footage of how I draw the water drops. Okay, guys, if you want to learn how to draw cherries without water drops in hyper-realistic way, then you can watch my another video. Just click on the I button above and you can watch this tutorial too. I bet you can learn this to set in hyper-realistic way. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page where I provide tips for drawing realistic. And if you want, you can draw this and send me on my Instagram or on my Facebook page. I will provide links in the description box. You can use my drawing as reference photograph. Okay, now for the stem, you should set the sides of the stem and blend it with paper stump, because we need not to erase the stem. Some shadows of the fruits. So grab your pencil and follow the basic principle of shading, and thereafter you are done. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Stay well, stay blessed. See you again on another tutorial. Goodbye.